before you spend 2 hours scrolling around and trying to unlock hidden cheat codes, let me show you the first 10 things to do to set this thing up. Stuff that'll save your battery, keep your risk wide, and actually make your watch useful from day one. Because out of the box, Samsung just kind of gives you the basics and hopes you'll figure the rest out. Number one, let's fix the Bixby button, because out of the box, it launches Bixby. And if you're like most of us, then Bixby is not the assistant that you'll be using. So you go to settings, buttons and gestures, long press. It was Bixby, but I've changed it to Google Assistant, thank God. You can also change it to power off menu, but I've changed it to Google Assistant. And now, when I hold this button, send me a reminder for tomorrow to take my car to the dealership. Boom, done, just like that. Now, when you hold the button, it actually gives you helpful answers. Not like, I didn't catch that, please repeat, what Bixby always says. Number two, clean up your tiles. When you swipe sideways, these are called tiles. Long press on any tile, minus to remove it, and go to the end, plus, and you can add anything. Once you hit the plus, I recommend adding tiles like step count, sleep score, calendar, weather, maybe Spotify or maps. It takes 2 minutes to clean up, and it makes daily use way more smoother. And another one we're gonna add today is going to be my battery. I wanna see that always in my tiles. Right now I see it every time I swipe and I keep going, and I'll get my battery. 3, pick a better watch face. The default ones aren't bad, but they're not you. All you gotta do is hold on and swipe through the options. And you can actually browse more by going into hitting plus. There's animated, digital, whatever you're into. Changing your face not only makes your watch looks fresh, it changes how you use it, depending on how and where you're using it. Number 4, cut down on notifications. How do you do that? You don't want your watch to be buzzing every single second for every notification that you get in a group chat or something like that. So what you gotta do is open the Wearables app, go to sound and vibration, and you can turn off or turn on the sound right over here. You can also do this on the watch by hitting sound, vibrate, or silent. But there's more options on your phone, obviously, to change the chime, volume, and everything else. You can manage notifications. From there, you can toggle off like Instagram likes, YouTube comments. So this helps you if you want to stop getting those messages on your Instagram or YouTube. So this is the best option to do that. And you also save a little bit of battery as well. Number 5, adjust raise to wake and screen timeout. You know that flick to wake gesture? It's nice, but the screen stays on too long. Go to settings, display, raise wrist to wake. You can turn it off. Or if you want to have it on, at least have it for a screen timeout of 30 seconds or 15 seconds so your battery doesn't drain so fast. Okay, number 6. This is the water lock feature that I really like. So if you're swimming or if you're in the shower or something and things just keep going like this, because I've seen it happen, and then you get a phone call from your ex-girlfriend and why you called me. The best thing to do to avoid that is to hit this feature and turn it on. This way, if you're swimming or you're in a shower with your watch, this water lock feature helps so it doesn't actually accidentally open something like an app or make a phone call. And you can turn it off just by holding this. Ejecting water. This sound is to eject water from the speakers. So they thought about that too, that's pretty cool. They also to shake off the water so the pressure sensor will work again. And you go like this, you shake it off, okay. Number 7, and most importantly, you should always have your Samsung Health on. In order to do that, you open up Samsung Health, you make sure everything is on. I've turned everything on, mine on. Stress, body temperature, heart rate, and everything's on. So definitely turn on the Samsung Health features. Number 8, you got this top button right here. But did you know if you double press it, you can launch anything you want? So you go to settings, buttons and gestures, and down here, the double press button, which is this one. You can open your favorite app, like your workout, flashlight, timer, or even the camera control. It saves you from digging into the app drawer every time. Number 9, turn off stuff that you don't actually use to save battery. If you're not on LTE, go to setting, connections, mobile networks, and turn it off. Don't use Bixby or force wake up. Disable those in the assistant section. Bluetooth audio, only turn on if you're actually using your headphones. These small things actually help the battery last a lot longer, especially if you don't charge it often. Number 10, installing some actual useful apps. Go to the Play Store on your watch and grab these. Google Maps works great when you're walking directions. Spotify, YouTube Music, both support downloaded music, and also water reminder, because most of us do not drink water long enough. So you need a reminder for that. Another good thing is to install is watch faces. There's a lot of watch faces to do, and you can actually choose some from your phone and download some. I'll make sure I make another video about these watch faces. You can actually pick a watch face and customize it, so that's even more things to do in a watch. There's thousands of things you can do. That's it, guys. Now your Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is set up to actually work for your life, not just mirror your phone. Take 10 minutes, do these setups, and the watch feels 10x more useful. And hey, if this helped, please drop a like, maybe subscribe. Otherwise, the algorithm thinks I'm here, sitting alone, talking to the camera, by myself, to nobody, in a room full of gadgets. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time.